We made a quick stop by Tuesday morning, so I thought I would share with all of you what they had out for Easter. Welcome back, friends, or if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Susan, and I'm so glad you're here. So first up are these really cute plates with these little chicks on them, and they have a vintage vibe to them, and I just love that. He was $89.99. Super cute, but you would definitely have to have a lot of storage space because he's big. And these tall figurines were $34.99. They had a lot of choices in napkins, and I really liked these. So if you like to craft and decoupage with napkins, there were several cute designs to choose from. They even had plates to match. And I love this black and white kitchen towel. This one was $5.99. Here's one you might like if you are a Star Wars fan. Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. This piece was $19.99, and I love it. I love the concrete look with the green moss growing on it. It wasn't very heavy, but this bunny was very textured and extremely heavy. And then they had more kitchen towels. And then I went back for the bunny because I couldn't leave him behind. So he came home with me. They had lots of bunny figurines, and I will share some of the prices in just a minute. And these were interesting and a little creepy. They were also a little pricey, so I had to look them up when I got home just to see what the story was behind them. And this is what I found. Anna Lee dolls have been produced in Meredith, New Hampshire since 1934, and it says the tale begins with a young woman meticulously dyeing fabric and freehand painting doll faces during the Depression. So that's pretty interesting. I'm still not that sure about them because they still just look a little creepy to me. This was a really pretty sign for your front porch. I really like the rabbit on the bottom. And last are these pillows. And I like the polka dots on the bunnies. But this one had carrots dangling off the corners. It's different. I don't love it, but it is different. Okay, so we found a few things, not all Easter, but we did get the heavy concrete bunny, and here he is in my house. Okay, so thanks for coming shopping with us. I have more Easter DIYs and decorating videos coming, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button.